Hello guys, it's a beautiful sunny day and it's time for me to travel home to Uzbekistan. Of course, I'm not gonna go empty-handed, so let's do some present shopping. Here is my outfit, the ancient dress from Mango, the bag is from Furla, and slightly less ancient sandals I don't know from where. First stop is a tech store. So these are the earbuds from Bose. I recently own one myself as well and they are just amazing. Next stop is some deodorant for male. So I tried Dior Sauvage. I also tried Chanel Bleu for male and those are very great. I really recommend those. Ended up picking these because I already got Chanel Bleu as a perfume, so I don't want to have the same thing twice. And do the last unboxing. This is one of my favorite scents. This is from Oribe, and this is their signature smell called Cote d'Azur. Okay, now all the presents are loaded and it's time to go. Guys, we're already on the train to Oslo airport. The view is just amazing. Sun is shining, perfect. I mean, what are those check-ins? Because we're already in the duty store. I don't know if it's Swedish or it's Norwegian, but I love this hippo. And since I mentioned this here, I'm gonna show you the whole collection, sort of, that I have. Hope you don't mind. Because there is nothing else I bought this time on duty free. There was like no time. Food is very delicious, and now we are not really smoothly but still transitioning to check in into hotel. The hotel is called Intercontinental. And here comes typical YouTuber bathrobe outfit. Here comes like a fancier part of this vlog where I'm gonna dress up, explore some amazing nature, and gonna go and have a dinner in luxurious restaurants. So we have just arrived at the skiing resort called Amirsoy. It is so beautiful and picturesque. Oh my god. Enjoy the paradise. We have just been over 2,000 meters above the sea level. The air is so pure and it's just so peaceful. Next up is one of the fanciest restaurants in Tashkent, which is the capital of Uzbekistan. It's called Blue Domes. Here is the interior. It's so luxurious. It's like in a museum. Love that. And then we roughly transitioning to another very fancy restaurant where you can actually observe a hockey game. The restaurant is called Humo. Also very fancy surrounding. Here is more Japanese theme. So fancy part is over. Now more of a casual dressing and very nice picturesque views and some of the highlights of my trip. This is me eating a lot of apricots because we went to the apricot field basically. Oh my god, dream. We are now in the other restaurant, somewhere far, far away. Very nice table. This was one of the main dishes, which is basically every type of meat you can ever imagine on one plate. We all were speechless. And here is the national dish called plov. And speaking of plov, we also visited the place called Beshkozon. And that's the kozon, basically a huge pot where they cook plov every day, and every day nothing is left. It is insane. And here is Uzbek bread called lipeshka. In my next videos, I'm gonna show you more variations of lipeshka because there are many types. This is another yum moment. Uzbek melons are considered to be one of the best and most delicious. And of course, I went to the local bakery and went nuts on some croissant with almonds. But yeah, now it's time to go back. Luckily got the seat that are fully transformed into the bed. Oh my god, I love these. Spotted a song by Ariana on the plane. Oh my god, I'm in love. Just a little bit of your heart. Just a little bit of your heart. Now we are in Turkish duty free and I spotted Byredo. As we started talking about some perfumes, let me just show you quickly my tiny perfume collection. So the first one is Byredo Blanche, which is a very fresh kind of fragrance. Next one is called Juliette Has a Gun. It's more of a musky type of perfume. The last one, which is the present, is called Bvlgari and it smells cherries. I wear it only during the winter because the smell is really strong. And I recently purchased another one, which is going to be a big surprise for you. Reveal, the same that I got from my mom. Yep. There's some like other goodies that were in there. That's it for now. I wish you an amazing new year and see you next time, guys.